ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Baba, can you press the alarm, please? Zach, you're using this one, Zach. Because Holly's gonna use yours today. Oh, that's PJ. Ah, Zach, it's yours. We're gonna have Yakult, Zach. Oh, yeah.
Wear a sports jumper.
Like your dress.
No.
Come on, get your skirt on.
Not skirt.
Oh,
PE.
I'm not walking on.
What do you want? Huh? What's wrong? What's your
Zach,
complaint?
with showers up, please.
That's right.
I don't even know where they are.
What?
There.
I don't even know if they fit.
It will fit you.
Where's Holly's shoes? I've no shoes.
Yes!
No, he's on sports time.
Oh, that's wrong.
You can still do my shirt.
I will do it tonight.
Yeah, today because you're gonna wear
I
it
will
tomorrow.
today.
This one.
No.
But
First day again.
I know. Last year, first day of school, you're wearing the uniform, so I cannot take your photo yet with that dress.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. To get that stuff off the end.
Tomorrow.
Where's the polish?
I'm here.
I don't want to use
Oh!
one. Keep going.
Yes.
I don't want to use one.
Yes.
I want to use one.
Where's that polish gone? I know it was here somewhere.
You're not using yours.
Alright. Bring
Never.
it outside, Zach.
Next week.
Why next week?
Zach.
I just want to get what's it called?
Look out there. There.
Wow, you're growing up though, so you're just like DJ now. They don't want to use their
I
lunchbox.
do.
Brush your hair, bud. What's this here? Are you cutting that off?
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're not allowed with your necklace now. So you're not using it now, Zaki?
Mommy, that lunch will clear
Huh?
TJ's. Isn't that lunch will clear TJ's?
Yeah, that's yours. What am I gonna? Baba, can you get the ketchup, please?
It's not ketchup.
Oh, you're not having all this then. Thank you. Brush your hair now, please.
Can I have cheese and custard?
Huh? Ew. And then I'll tie it after this. Do you want lettuce in here, homie?
No thanks. I hate spraying my hair. Mom,
That's good.
side, now, and do the front like this side. apple pie for now.
You want me to remove it from
Don't get black anywhere, don't touch anything.
Oh, you want yogurt? Wait, can I bring mine?
how many? You
Can I
just
bring this?
yeah, you just want one.
So you can
So you sure you're gonna finish it?
I love cucumber.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless I know. I even wonder why I go and make sometimes
Vanilla cookies.
I can't
Yeah.
deny.
And then one of these.
Try to hold on to the things I can't see. Then my fingers I was losing control. Took a couple months till you
Can you
came
use
to my
that?
door. Sat by the sea while the waves
Blackberry.
fell asleep. What I should have let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days.
Yeah, but where am I gonna put all those, Zachary?
Plastic.
No, they're not allowed.
Ziplocs? Yes. Yes.
Time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I sing this song. Time and time again.
Exactly all
To my reality, foolish I know, but you always keep a finger to my mind, and me back ashore, my darkest day.
Where's your chips, Holly?
Try to hold on
Yeah.
to the
I don't have this small stick left.
Oh, why did I even fit an apple there?
Get PJ an apple, please, and then
Searching for gold, I'll be running out of.
so eto na yung lunch ni Holly. And si Holly lang yung gagamit ng lunch na ganito today. Kasi si Sak ayaw yung gamitin yung kanya. And yung gamit ni Holly lunch box ay yung kay Sak. Di ba sa kanya yung pink? May stain kasi yung silicone nung pink ni Holly. And kung si Sak gagamitin niya yung ganito niya, or eto niya, ang ipapagamit ko sana ay yung kay Kuya kasi never naman to nagamit ni Kuya kaso ayaw niyang gamitin today. But anyway, yan yung lunch ni Holly. May cucumber, carrots, and berries. And ayan yung mga dalawang cupcakes. And ayan, ito yung custard. Tapos yung kanilang roll-ups and gummies. And may Doritos si Holly. And ito yung kay Sak. So wala siyang carrots kasi wala akong ano, yung maliit na ziplock. Malalaking ziplock yung nandyan sa akin. So ito yung kay Sak na bowl. And kay Kuya, ayan. So yeah, yan yung lunch nila for today for the first day of school.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
excited.
You're excited?
My first year 3 class.
That's right. Ayusin ko yung book mo.
Spend all my days searching for gold. I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond.
Oh yeah, but you're not using it today, but we
Instead,
don't
I'll
have.
sing this song.
Is this Kiromi? Kiromi, ayan. Gusto niya yung ganito. O sa fruits niya daw.
My heart is yours to keep.
to get your
It's a little day.
If I spend all my days searching for gold,
Okay.
I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond.
Oh yeah, I need an ice.
So instead of focus
si Kuya. Nawawala yung lunchbox niya. So you're gonna use this one for now. Ayan.
Nice one. I like that thing. Ooh. It's my pizza.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you're safe. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. Butterfly feeling, edge of a cliff. Rush of adrenaline in your kiss.
Nice and slick.
Tethered up together, we could go the distance. Yeah, this atmospheric pressure, something when you pull me in. You make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. I know you'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Gusto ko sanang suotin niya ngayon yung dress niya, yung uniform dress. Kaso PE siya today. Let me see.
Tea today.
Yeah.
But tomorrow I wear my dress.
Yeah.
I like it, thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Get your yogurt now.
Okay. Ooh. I close. What flavor? Strawberry.
Okay, this one. Yung boys, ayaw nila.
Thank you. Good. Please. Guys, I asked my mum if I can do like kids podcast, and you can comment down below and say something and I can answer it. And my mum's too busy, so she can't vlog me. But I'm wondering, guys, if you can comment down below and I will answer it. So what do you guys think? Should I? Comment down below in this video. Bye.
Oh, what that?
You gotta
have it.
I'm sure.
Is this one? Thanks.
Why is that, Dad? Can you go on a truck?
Yeah, here.
Are they too small, Chloe?
No. It's fine. Please open up, please.
Nice went fishing last night.
Mm-hmm.
Then I get to go to school too late too.
Yeah. Jesus, brother. Oh, you have to help her.
What?
Because it's bloody heavy.
What's that job?
What?
Why are we walking?
When you get to school and that, not the
That's
bus,
your
not
job.
off the bus. Why is it his job?
Because I'm going to go the other way. No, I'm going to go straight ahead.
You got to go the same as she's going. She's underneath you. Help her with this bag to get to this classroom just today. Because it's heavy. You're the muscle, one of the muscles.
So excited.
I need a name.
Dad can't even lift it.
14 minutes.
It's alright. We can walk to school.
No. Wait.
Get your make sure you eat all your food, okay?
Yeah, I'll come home and you'll see that my lunchbox will be empty.
Yeah, it should be empty. Yeah.
Why yellow?
And I'll finish my sandwich.
Yeah. And don't forget to drink your water. That's nice and sweet.
Yeah, I want it always like this.
Are we walking?
Smooth. Dad, they're my bananas to make banana bread.
Come on, bite.
No, that's only food. We don't need that much, Holly.
I know you're gonna eat a couple. Bananas like that.
You tell me who's in your class, okay?
I gotta go.
Naligo sila, di ba? Ganito si Kuya, tapos ngayon feeling niya napapa ganito, siguro na nininervous or na-excite siya sa school.
Who's next?
Feeling niya magne-number 2
Not
ulit
me,
siya.
I'm excited.
You're excited? Is Maya in your class?
No.
No. Oh, is Maya is not in your class this time.
Danielle.
Oh, it's not.
Danny
One
and
of her
Maya
class.
always are in the
Zach.
same class.
One of her class.
Maya and Danielle.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I have to go back to sleep.
So, yeah.
Magkakat siya ng grass
So,
sa
so
farm.
Zach, yeah.
Yeah, she are walking.
Oh, got perfume. Yeah. Wow. I can put over there. Yeah, that smells good.
Nagpapabango na
Got
kasi si
perfume
Sak.
on running.
Nagpe-perfume na ang mga bata, guys. May perfume na sila.
Don't have any.
When you put it on?
Wait.
Got your perfume, Baba?
No.
Come on, put some on. A little bit on your neck, so you smell good for teachers. Come out 5 minutes.
Magdanap ako. Para may enough sleep tayo. Maga ako nagising. Mga 5:45 yun. 5:45. Aasarin niyo si Sak. Aasarin niyo si Sak kasi nagpabangon si Sak.
Zach, you put some on?
So good every day. So teacher comes up and good today.
Zach, put some on. I can smell it.
Nag-aasaran yung dalawa.
Zach, put some on.
Yeah, so
Smells good.
Front at near the shop.
what's the time?
7:53. No, it's not.
8 o'clock kasi ang pick up sa kanila.
No.
Inamoy niya si Zach.
I'll take your days off for you.
Alright. Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Yeah, come on, come now. Come on.
One second, Mum.
Mommy,
What?
Mommy, kiss me first.
You already did, Holly.
Oh yeah, I did.
Oh, you lost.
Love you.
Love you. Listen and. That's all. Bye. Good luck. Year 8.
Right,
Yeah.
and do that one.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, tahimik na yung bahay. Kasi back to school na, magnap lang ako and then ang dami kong tutupiin pagising ko. Ayan na sila. How's your first day of school, Saki boy? Why? Boring?
Fun.
Why? It's boring.
Stuff to do.
What?
We had a test.
Already? What about?
Spelling?
Oh, that's easy.
Did you have a cupcake before at school?
No, I didn't get one at school.
Yeah. How's your first day? Wow. Yours good, Holly? Hindi ako nakapag-vlog after nilang umalis. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo magnap ako, guys? Nag-ship ako and nag-edit din tayo. And
Mommy, I want a cupcake.
gumagawa rin ako
Mom,
ng...
what's for dinner?
And wait, may ginagawa rin ako. Ayan, hindi yan.
I won.
I'm just second.
Ito yung aking website. Nag-upload ulit ako ng mga pictures na mga available dito sa aking paninda. And naglagay na rin ako dito about sa shipping policy. Ayan. So, nagsulat-sulat pa ako dyan. So, yan yung ginawa ko today. And hindi rin ako nakapagtupi.
Mommy,
And I'm having some now.
Custard. O, yan ang merienda nila.
Custard of that. Custard of this.
She can have both. Si Kuya ngayon pa lang siya mag-yogurt kasi hindi siya nagbawa ng yogurt kanina.
Mom, ready?
What?
You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna grab this,
What's with
take the wrapper off. Right? Take the wrapper off.
Ay. What crackers? It's in the fridge.
Right?
the box?
In the fridge. It's in the fridge, Kuya.
Oh.
Oh, nice, ah. Dipping the custard. Dipping in the custard.
Dipping the cupcake in the custard.
I know. Is it good?
Packet and you just started to give it to TJ.
What?
This.
It's alright. Hey, Baba, you can have mine.
You can
Tell me
have it.
what
No, it's alright. No, back to school now.
that was. But we have a
I'll
burn.
shove toast, right?
What, you're not gonna eat dinner? I have a steak
Where?
out. The rump
Frozen?
steak. Mm.
Which made from?
From yours. Nagsawa na siya guys ng ano.
I'll have it.
No,
It's frozen pa nga.
Okay, I can wait. I'll wait.
Tawag nito. Nagsawa na siya guys ng ng steak.
You want one of these?
Yung steak. Kasi 'di ba?
No, I don't.
Nung nandun sila sa bay,
Cheese?
halos yun yung kinakain nila. Lalo na nung nagpunta kami ng Adelaide ni Holly for 1 week. Lagi silang barbecue steak, sausages, papalit-palit lang. So nagsawa siya.
Kuya Zach always had barbecue. Can I?
No, I'm just gonna make
Hot dog.
no, different one. Like chicken balls.
Garlic balls.
Yeah,
A lot.
a lot. Gustong ni Kuya yung
Mama.
chicken garlic balls. Okay.
Wait, Mom. I'm gonna have 3.
Alright, so
Because
yun ang
it's the
gagawin
best
ko.
cooking.
Hindi pa utos mag-edit. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. Kasi nakafocus ako dun sa yung website ko guys na hindi ko matapos-tapos kasi ang daming ganap dun. Ang daming ganap diyan sa sa website na 'yan. Ang dami mong i-input. So yun ang ginawa ko halos maghapon. Hindi nga ako nakapagtupi. Nakapaghugas ako pero hindi ako nakapagtupi. Alright, gawin ko na yung chicken. Ito yung butter. Nandito yung butter. Tapos may parsley ako. Kunin ko lang yung mga gagamitin ko. Ayan sila kumakain. Ng Twiggy and Si Jan, yung shortcake na biscuit. Pumunta siya sa shed, sa malaking shed kung nasan yung caravan. Kasi tinanggal na nila yung gulong. Kasi papalitan ni Jan na bagong gulong yung ating caravan. So, tinanggal nila dalawa muna kasi kailangan daw dalawa muna. Hindi pwedeng ilagay yung jack. What did you put in the caravan? Jack? Yeah, kasi yung jack, is it at the front or at the back?
Where are the wheels back?
Yeah, where is it? At the back.
In the middle.
In the middle. So,
Dad
Yung-
just saw my TikTok dance I did last night.
alright. So, tawag nito, so tinanggal muna nila yung dalawa, tapos ilalagay nila bukas yung bagong gulong. Then, the next, after nila malagay yung gulong, yung dalawa naman yung tatanggal kasi hindi raw pwede lahat tanggalin yung gulong, tapos nakatayo lang dun sa jack. Baka mag-collapse. Hindi ko alam. Basta yun. So, hindi nila natanggal lahat. Yung dalawa lang. Tapos, bukas ulit yung dalawa. Pag nalagay nila yung bagong gulong dun sa may middle. Okay, gawin ko na yung dapat kong gawin.
Give me a shake before opening.
Ito dapat yung dinner ni Jan. Ayan. Nilagay ko dito sa bag. Ilagay natin dito sa fridge kasi hindi raw siya kakain ng steak tonight. Ayan. Ram steak. And meron din ako ditong schnitzel. Lagyan natin ng parsley. And then bowl. So, ubusin ko to. Kalahati to doon sa nabili kong parsley. Dahil lang natin siya. So, very fine chop lang siya. Lagay ko muna pala yung butter. So, ubusin ko tong butter. 250 grams yung gagamitin natin. So, malambot na siya kasi kahapon ko pa siya tinanggal, diba? Sarap. Hindi na natin siya nilagay. Sarap nung binili ko siya para talaga mag-soften yung ating butter. Yung lashes ko pala, tingnan nyo, andito pa rin siya. Ang tagal na nito. Siguro mga 5 days or more than 5 days na. Kailan ko ba ito nilagay? To think na lagi ko siyang binabasa twice a day kasi syempre morning, tapos pag naligo, tapos at night. So, minsan nga 3 times a day. Pero andyan pa siya. Yung iba naglaglaga na kanina, pero meron pa din. Ang tagal niya din. So, baka mamaya, mag-change na ako. Palitan ko na siya.
Where's the garlic?
Coming.
Look at my skin. It's peeling.
You got dry skin. You have to put lotion.
No, somewhere.
Yeah. So, depende sa inyo kung gaano karaming garlic ang ilalagay niyo. So, ganito karaming garlic yung gagamitin ko. So, i-chop din natin siya ng very fine. Tulad nung sa parsley. Huh? Is Daddy sleeping?
I think so.
Where? In our bedroom or in
In
Sakya?
your bedroom.
Your bedroom?
I can't wait to try your delicious, best making us food. Can't wait to try it. Everything.
So, ayan na yung ating very chopped garlic. Kasi pinong-pino siya. Mix lang natin ito. And maglalagay ako ng iisipan kung cream cheese or eto. Creme fresh. Ito. Meron pa kasi akong konti. Idagdag ko na dito. Then, nalagay tayo na baking powder. Baking powder. Lagyan ko lang ito ng baking paper. Then, ko lang tayo ng maliit na spoon. And, bibilug-bilugin natin siya dito. Yung tama lang mahalagay sa ating chicken. Mamaya. Then, ilalagay ko to sa freezer para tumigas. Hindi ko inubos kasi hindi na siya kasya. And eto, pwede rin to ilagay sa toast. Kasi ano lang naman to, parsley, butter, and yung cream fresh and garlic. So, pwede itong ilagay natin sa fridge etong tira. Ilagay sa maliit na container. Tapos eto, ilalagay ko to sa freezer para mag-firm na siya. Gawin na natin yung chicken. Some cheese. And wala akong white onions. Meron ako red. And kailangan siyang i-grate ba. Pinuhin na lang natin. Iyakin na naman ako ng sibuyas. Ayan. Walang tayong isang egg. And mamaya, gagamitin ko rin to. Labas ko na muna siya. So, tansya-tansya lang to. Kasi dyan ayaw niya yung amoy ng parmesan cheese. Ihuli ko yung sibuyas. So, gamit tayo ng chicken powder or any seasoning na gusto nyo. So, siguro half. Depende rin sa panlasa nyo. Dagdagan kong konti. Konti pa. Konting sugar. Diyan mustard. Konti lang din. Lahatin ito. Dapat pinong-pinoy. So, yan na yung sibuyas. And meron akong ditong Himalayan salt. And gloves. So, himasin na natin ito. Yung konting breadcrumbs kasi medyo ano siya, basa. Meron akong pinapainit. Wala pa pala. Painit tayong oil. Kasi bago ko siya bula-bulahin, titikman ko muna kung okay na yung lasa niya. So, yan na. Tapos na. So, kunin ko na lang yung butter. Ayan, titikman natin siya. Kaya nagprito tayo konti. Okay na. Okay na yung lasa. Kuya?
Yes.
You wanna try? Not yet. Ano yung itsura? Nakatulog si ano. Tulog si Holly. Sarap. Okay na siya. So, kunin ko yung butter. And bula-bulahin ko na siya. Yung matigas na siya. Ayan na siya. Yan. Siguro ganito karami. Depende sa inyo na yan, guys. Kung gaano karami yung ilalagay nyo. Tapos i-flat. Kuha akong gloves. Okay. Tapos kuha tayo isa. Then ibaon dyan. Then bola-bola na. Ganyan lang. Bilis. So, balik natin dito. Yan. So, eto na. Tapos na siya. So, nakagawa akong ilan to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ayun, 12, 13, 14, 28 balls sa 1 kilong chicken. Na ganito kalalaki. Gagawin na natin yung ipang-coat natin dito sa ating chicken garlic balls. Chicken garlic balls. Okay. Ito sa Amazon ko, ilang beses ko na nasabi. Sa Amazon ko to nabili. Maganda to, guys. Kasi isahang ligpitan lang siya. So, lagyan natin tong flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Oops. Red tayo pepper. Pwede naman na hindi. Pwede rin maglagay. Depende sa inyo. May salt pala ako dito. Yung salt natin yung Himalayan salt. Ito kasi yung ano ko, rock salt. Ang lalaki. Ayan, painit na rin tayo ng oil. Then, pwede ko siyang ilipat doon para mas bilis. So, pwede ko siyang kalas-kalasin. Like this. Like that. Careful there.
Look at this crap.
Alright. Pinakita yung ating Nilutuan. Ayan, kita na ba? Flour first. Hinaan ko muna to kasi masusunog naman yung breadcrumbs niya pag sobrang init.
So Dad, Monday, if you're on a flight.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right.
I'll have the other half, guys.
I-try ni John. Ooh.
That?
Careful, it's hot.
No, that looks so good. Delicious. Nutritious. Is it good?
No good.
You won't like it, leave it there.
I had those before.
How is
I
it?
want to try Kote drinks.
Good. Careful with your clothes, Kuya, ha? Because the butter.
It is the best!
Nice.
I like this one better than mine.
Si Holly, pine-prepare niya na yung table. Almost done, almost done.
You want to try one?
It's too hot.
Just make that too.
Daddy already did. Almost done. Just
I'll
wait.
just. Dad has not tried it.
You already did.
It's all inside, so
What are you having? Gusto ni Kuya yung butter na may garlic. Yung ginawa natin na panglagay dyan. Oh, let me see, babe.
Can I have some
Ayan
of this,
siya.
Mom?
Oops.
Mama,
Huh?
have some of this.
Yeah, of course, Mama. Oh, diba? Nasaan na yung gimbal natin? Ayan pa yung niluluto ko. Hindi na makapaghintay yung aking pamilya. Gutom na kasi sila, guys. Anong oras na? Magsi 7 o'clock na. So, iniikot-ikot ko lang siya para hindi masunog yung ilalim niya.
Not that big.
Yeah, this one is
I'm
big.
telling Mom.
Yeah?
It's so good.
Good. You're not having rice, Baba. Just salad and chicken balls.
no.
Medyo nakakatatlo na. Good, my love. Oh, busog na sila. Gano na si Jan. Mag-chocolate na.
Oh my god, mine not.
What?
You'll be right.
Then my whole ends are greasy.
Yeah, you'll be right.
What? In your clothes?
No.
Tapos na silang kumain and ayan na lahat ng ating
I'm
si
eating
Holly
a
pa pala.
salad.
Lahat ng ating chicken garlic balls.
Uh-huh.
Ayan. Yes?
It can mush it up.
It's masarap.
Even the salad is mush it up.
Na salad.
Yeah. I like the carrots, cucumber, and lettuce.
Nakaligo na po ang ating baby girl. Ayan. Kaligo na siya. And ako naglilinis na dito sa kusina. Ayan. Nakapaghugas na tayo dyan. And meron akong nasimula na punasan. Yung bowl. Ayan. And eto si Jan. Umalis si Jan. Nag-drive siya. Tiningnan niya kung may tubig pa yung dagat. Yan. Itatapon niya yan pag malamig na. And si Sak, mamaya, ilalagay niya yan sa recycle bin. Naliligo lang siya. So, yan. Kain muna ako, guys. Nagtimpla pala akong berry glow. And si Kuya, napansin niya yung lashes ko na kumakalas na siya. So, mamaya, ay, huwag ko masakit. Meron pang tanggal doon. So, mamaya, papalitan ko na yan. Ayan, nakita. Tanggalin ko ba yan? Oh, sakit. Wait lang. Tanggal din. Oh, mapdi. Huwag niyong gawin yung ginawa ko. But anyway, ayan. Binuksan ko na rin yung bago nating marinated na Danish style feta cheese. Bago ako kumain, linisin ko muna tong aking pilik mata. Kasi dumidikit pag pumipikit-pikit ako. pa akong konting oil. So, yan na yung ating dressing dito sa salad. Yung oil ng feta cheese. Masarap to, guys. Coles brand lang to. So, masarap siya. And, eto, hindi siya naubos. Kasi, ang dami naman nito, guys. So, pwede ko siyang i-freezer. Ilagay ko na siya sa Ziploc. Kasi, pwede siyang i-freezer. Okay na siya. Then, i-air fry na lang pag gusto nila. So, para yung nabibili sa Coles na, na chicken tender, na luto na, tapos i-air fry mo lang na ilang minutes. So, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, tigda-dalawa sila yung mga bata pag gusto nila ulit na kumain nito. 6. Okay. So, diba? So, mamaya ilagay ko to sa freezer. Alam nyo, lagyan ko to ng grapes. Lagyan natin siya ng green. So, wala pa akong kain. Ito yung ating... kumuha akong konting banana bread ni Holly. What do you want, kuya? What? Naka-ano ka na, hindi naman siya kita. Blackberries.
Look, guys, what we gotta do is grab every single one except the blackberries because no one likes that.
What?
Blackberry.
I do. You used to love this. Quarantine blackberries. What?
Fresh.
What?
Grapes.
Yeah.
Except the
Akala
blackberry.
ko naligo ka na. I thought you already have a shower.
No.
Just you and Holly, kuya. Hindi pa pala naliligo to si Sak. Sak, have a shower na because you're going to bed soon. Kada busog na ako, guys. Anong oras na? Ayan, hindi ko na naubos. Ano na lang yan yung cheese. Ayan, yung mga bata matutulog na kasi magna 9 o'clock na. Say good night na ba?
Night.
Ayan ako, mamaya. Good night, kuya. Love you.
No.
No. Love you. Good night.
Not that.
Night, Mom, love you.
Good night. I love you too.
Because I think I do want you next to me.